High over the vast, empty desert of Western Australia captures this below.
When I pulled this image up, I thought this looked like something out of an alien world.
The landscape is dotted with holes. It's like there's some kind of bug or giant worm that's been burrowing in and burrowing out.
Further images show the mystery holes cover a vast area. 77,000 square miles.
It looks to me like the desert's got a bad case of the measles.
It looks to be about 1/4 of a mile in diameter, which is roughly the size of the Pentagon. When I look at what we call a spectral signature of the center of this crater, what that tells me is that it's actually related to a geologic activity.
Geological records reveal this vast plain is formed of limestone, the largest continuous exposed block of the mineral on Earth. Devin Denny thinks this explains the mystery chasms.
Limestone is created from marine creatures, so their bodies create calcite, which is highly reactive to acids. So as rain, which is slightly acidic, falls into it, it dissolves a little bit of that limestone, and over time, caves form.
It takes tens of thousands of years for this process to form a human-sized hole. Millions upon millions to create caverns this big. Geologists call this a karst landscape. Yet what lies beneath is even more breathtaking.
On the surface, it just looks like holes, like it's a colander. But underneath it is an entire maze of tunnels connecting to one another. It's a labyrinth.
Deep below the water table, flooded caves form a vast labyrinthine water world. Scientists estimate these tunnels stretch for hundreds of miles, but have ventured into only a tiny fraction of them.
There's no soil to absorb water, so water just pools in pockets.
The few that dare enter this cavernous maze do so at their peril. Cave divers call this place their Everest. It has sent many to the surface with permanent decompression sickness.
They call it a labyrinth for a reason. The intricate connection of rock passages is confusing and disorienting.
It's all too easy to become lost in this labyrinth. And that means almost certain death.